Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukuan Rat ke Sangma Hakapratari Urisau, Ula Perlong Kajinglet Jurip Yak Jaka ke Bangat Hakijingsley Bat Wakendo, Ha West Garo Hills Bat South Garo Hills, Hakaba Ulay Kendo Ru Yak Lanat, Bat Sam Yak Song Jingarap Pisah Shakibahi Yang Hasam, Jong Kitu Kibelak Latno Hakini Kijingja. Chief Minister Ubala Samru Yak Jingarap, Kaba Marsau Lak Tingka Shakibahi Yang Hasam Jong Kitu Kibelak Latno, Haki babon teli ki jingjia tua kendo ba jingshlei ulapan pau ya ka jings ngosi ka bajur halor ka ni ka jingdu jungki mensim brio na ka jingsha len shop haki bor ka maryang Konrad ulapan longru ya ka jingelang bishar kam ban shim jingken halor ka jingsha kta haboro R district
ये ईशानी भागपा मिनी खंग पाबी
Jadi kak. Ini namanya pokok itu sekian. Ini pokok itu sekian.
Iba ni betul ni nanya tu. Asal Amerika kamera kami. Ya saya tu pun. Betul. Kata mau nak kabar mang yoga. Ni, nama.
Ya bos tahu watang aku maksudnya canggih gemak nak kata nak kata ini kena berpiksa wamangi canggirang ko isek nak kata seisol ko bertele.
Today, along with the local MLAs and officials, including our deputy commissioners and BDOs and other officials, we have visited West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills, and there's a lot of devastation that has taken place. We tried to cover most of the areas, but today mostly we covered the families and met the family members of those individuals who lost their lives, and gave our support to them in whatever way possible, including financial assistance that we could give from our side. It is a great loss for them, and we cannot make up for the loss. But as a government, we have done whatever little we could do and to support them in these difficult times. At the same time, we reviewed the overall situation in terms of the relief work that is going on, and in the process we have seen that most of the general relief has been given. The houses that have been damaged, we have assessed them, and we should be able to give them relief and financial support very soon. At the same time, the power connectivity also has been restored in most of the villages. The road connectivity also to a large extent has been restored. So we are slowly and steadily seeing that normalcy is returning, but of course a lot of damage has been done, and it will take some time for us to completely bring everything back to normal. But we are here to show our support for the different families who are affected by this flood, which is quite unprecedented in nature. I was speaking to the elders here and even to our MLAs, and they were sharing that they have not seen this kind of rain and flood in decades in this region. So I will continue my tour tomorrow also. I plan to visit some parts of Chokpot area and other parts of South Garo Hills to see and to ensure that people are getting enough support during these difficult times. So we are here in Chhaipani. A whole day we have been traveling all over West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills. This is one major connection along the border, which is very critical, of course, for the people living in this area. And like this, many such bridges have been damaged, and we are assessing the situation, and hopefully we should be able to take up most of these bridges in a fast manner so that we can get the connectivity back again. So there will be many such bridges all over Meghalaya, which again, this was one of the timber bridges that was there. So our target is to completely transform and remove these timber bridges, and that work of course has started, but these are one of the bridges which were left. So we'll be working on making this also building up a new bridge out here. So like that, we'll be working and starting the process of completely changing all the wooden bridges into permanent bridges, either RCC or Beli Bridge.